Hi, hello, welcome to my video. Welcome back if you've been here before, and hello if you're new. I am Pixie and I create Animal Crossing content here on YouTube. I'm going to apologise, I don't feel overly well, so I have a bit of a sore throat, so I'm not going to do a massive voiceover for this video, but today we are making Marshall a Starbucks, or as I cleverly name it, Starnucks. Yes, I know, genius. Where do you get the creativity from? But yeah, originally he asks for a retro cafe, and I did try it, but I didn't like it. There was lots of browns and taupes and oranges, very 70s. And honestly, I think Marshall is more modern, more sophisticated. He is a snooty. He's very clean looking, like the white and the grey and the black. So the coffee shop I thought of was Starbucks. I was thinking about doing a Costa, which is a coffee shop in the UK. I'm not sure if it's anywhere else. Could potentially be, but their colour schemes are sort of red and maroon, and yeah, there's not that many items that suit that. So we're going for simple, black and white, kind of going to look like Starbucks. We're going to add a drive-through, and yes, I hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to go before I run out of voice, and I will speak to you at the end.
From the get-go, let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive in with you, and maybe I'll drown. What can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be like, I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I sucked with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I drown, but what can I do? And it will be alright, so let me down. I'd rather we try than let this feeling slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I drown, but what can I do? And it will be alright, so let me down. I'd rather we try than let this feeling slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. Dive into you.
No fui el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Para serte sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Solo yo sé de ese lunar, solo tú comes el pastel. Con estilo siempre te vas, pero te vienes con placer. Me dijiste no quiero nada, pero quieres todo, mujer. Baby, yo te hago soñar algo más rico que la miel, mi droga que te legalicen. No digamos el pecado, que hay cosas que no se dicen. Y en la piel tú y yo jugando, baby, ¿para qué te dices? Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso es, baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Toda esa poquito de eso más de las 12. Pegándote bien lento, baby, para que tú goces. No somos algo serio, pero bien si me conoces. Ya, tú eres el antojo de mi vida. De tanto que te pienso ya no encuentro la salida. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl. Yeah, baby, si se nos da, yeah. Será lo que será, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah. Toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah. Será lo que será, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah. Toda esa curiosidad.
We're not okay. I look into your eyes and see you fade away. No, we're not the same. It's like we're on two sides of the Milky Way. Somehow we got used to the problems. Baby, we got used to falling. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. 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 Yeah, I just wanna lose my Do you agree? This is not the way it is supposed to feel. Oh, and I can see there are different paths laid out for you and me. 'Cause baby, I'm a true believer, and I wanna stay true to my feelings. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna
Hello, it's me again, and as always, who else is it going to be? I'm just popping in to say thank you for watching the video. I really love how this has turned out. It's such a cool build. The reason I didn't do it for my own cafe on the island is because I've already done that one, and if anyone watches the Gilmore Girls, I made Luke's Diner, and I think I might do a video of showing how I did that. But yes, my voice it is running out, so I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching. Please give it a like if you think it's worth liking, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in the next video, hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, bye.